Imagine a case where someone close to you is subjected to sexual violence, or the person who has been sexually violated is yourself. What would be the first point of action? Should you shower? Should you go back and keep quiet? Should you go and report immediately? There is a detailed guide on how to report sexual violence. If the victim has changed his or her clothes, carefully pick up and carry the clothes in their state wrapped in a khaki envelope. The community members from the area should help the victim access medical attention. They should also visit the nearest police station and fill the P3 form. If community members are witnesses to the crime, they must record statements at the police station and testify in court when bonded by the police or summoned by the court. Here is what is expected from the various people. 1. The police. They should direct all SGBV cases to the gender desk, promptly escort the victim to the nearest medical facility for treatment and collection of evidence. They should provide a P3 form without payment and ensure that the P3 form is duly filled in, dated, signed by the medical practitioner. They should provide a P3 form without payment, ensure the P3 form is duly filled in, dated, and signed by the medical practitioner before collection. They should explain to the victim and the witnesses the processes involved in the trial process. They should also explain to the victim and the witnesses their rights, roles, and obligations in the trial process. They should also explain to the victim and the witnesses the processes involved in trial process. Finally, they should explain to the victim and the witnesses their rights, roles, and obligations in the trial process. The court, within 14 days of plea taking or sooner as is reasonably possible, it should fix a date for case pre-trials and active case management. The court should proactively ensure SGBV cases are fast-tracked and expedited. The court should disseminate cause list at least 7 days in advance and disseminate notices of changes in circumstances affecting cases immediately such circumstances arise or as soon as is reasonably possible. Finally, you may ask, what is the role of civil society of association? 1. They should support and defend the victims and survivors of SGBV in collaboration with other stakeholders. They should follow up on SGBV cases and report the case to the nearest health facility, police station, or children officers. They should also provide continued psychological support to survivors and caregivers and cooperate with stakeholders in the criminal justice system. Finally, they should keep records and provide data to the children officers, court, health facility, police, or any other relevant office as the case may be, and lobby for resources of implementation of policy.